Hello everyone. How are you all? Welcome in my YouTube channel. I am Leena Shankar, your English teacher for class 9. We make our choices, then our choice make us. है ना? So every morning we have two options. Continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase your dreams. The choice is yours. Am I right, students? So this poem, The Road Not Taken, based on the choices. Very interesting and meaningful poem, students. The Robert Frost faced this experience in his life, and he had written this experience in his poem, The Road Not Taken. Each and every situation, we face the choices, we face the options, and this situation makes a dilemma in ourselves. What to do? Which option should I select? Which option should be correct? And which option I have to choose? Each and every person face same problem, and we choose one option. In this poem, The Road Not Taken shows whatever the choice, whatever the option we haven't choose. Road here, road means option, choices. So whatever the road the poet has taken, that he had selected this choice, and whatever he left, the choice, that is this road he had not taken. It's like that the title of the poem, The Road Not Taken. So in this poem, we will see the experience, whatever the poet had taken in his life, and how he faced this experience. So before we start, let's see about poet. Robert Frost was born on 26 March 1874 in San Francisco, California, US. He was an American poet. His work was initially published in England before it was published in United States. He received 4 Pulitzer Awards for poetry and Congressional Gold Medal in 1960 for his poetic works. On July 22, 1961, he was named Poet Laureate of Vermont. His notable works, The Road Not Taken, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, Fire and Ice, Mending Wall, and many more. He died on 29 January 1963, Boston, United States. New meaning from the poem diverged, separated, and took a different direction. Yellow wood, a forest with decomposing leaves, undergrowth, dense growth of plants and bushes means forest. Fair, as good as the other one. Claim, better option. Grassy, here unused. Wanted where, had not been used. Trodden, walked over. Sigh, deep breath. Hence, here in the future. Two roads diverge in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same, and both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how well it's on to wait. I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be tearing this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverge in a wood, and I took the one less traveled, but and that has made all the difference. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both. And be one traveler, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. See, dear students, here poet want to say, once the poet was walking down a road, and then there was a diversion. There were two different roads, there were two different paths, and he had to choose one out of them. So he could not travel on one road only. So he had to choose one out of these two roads. Here, yellow wood means forest. Leaves which are wearing out and they have turned yellow in color. And here the autumn season is representing a world which full of people. And they represent people who are older than the poet. And the poet kept standing there and looked at the path very carefully, because which path should I choose? Two roads were there. So because of that he confused. Before taking, he wanted to know that how it was. Was it suitable for him or no? See, it happens in our life also, dear students. If we have lot of option, we have lot of choices, and we have lot of alternatives, then we confused which option should we select. But we have to think, we have to wait, we have to think wisely, we have to see that paths, pros and cons, disadvantage and advantage. Is it suitable for us? Then we have to take the decision. And when we will take decision, it should be wisely, because we cannot go back. This is the meaning of the first stanza. Understood, dear student? Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted beer. Though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. See, dear students, here fair means fair choice. Better claim means better option, better choice he has taken. Grassy means here unused. Wanted where? So he want to take that path. So, dear students, the poet want to say here, the poet kept on looking at one path for a long time to check if it is right path for him or not. And then he decided and started walking on the another path, because he felt that the both paths were equally good, and started walking on one of them. He felt that maybe that path was better for him, so he chose it, as it had grass on it, which means that it was unused. Grassy means grass क्यों है वहाँ पे? Because no one had gone there. So because of that, this road had grass, and not many people had walked on this path earlier. That is why this path was grassy, and that's why the poet had chosen this path. And wanted where means that it was not walked over by many people. After he walked on the path for some distance, he realized that both the paths had been same. Out of the same way, both the paths were similar, and both the paths were equal. Even in our life also, we take a path, we choose the option. All of them have the same problem, same disadvantage, same challenges. We have to think that we have chosen nice path. We have chosen nice option, better option, but it's not like that, dear students. Each and every option, each and every choices, and each and every path have the same advantages and disadvantages, problems, pros and cons, each and every path. So we have to face them. Whatever the choice we have taken, it's our choice. And then whatever the problem will come, whatever the problem will arise, it's our problem. So we have to face them. We are thinking whatever the choice we have chosen, it's better. Whatever the path we have chosen, it's good. But it's not like that. All the path, all the road, and all options are same. All are equal. Each and every path have challenges, and we must have to face it. And both that morning, equally late, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. So, dear students, here poet want to say that both the paths were similar that morning. Next morning, he got the both paths were similar. Both had leaves on them, and no one had stepped on them, as they were still green in color. Both paths were same, and they both have green in color. So he decided that day he would take one path and keep the other path for another day. So what he have thought that whatever the path he left, he would take another day. He knew that he could not go back on the choice that he had made. And actually he knows very well he could not go back, and he could not choose the path whatever earlier had he left. But still he want to see the another path, still he want to choose, he want to think that one day he will take another path. Similarly, in our life also, once we choose an option, we must keep moving on that same option, whatever we have chosen. We never get chance to go back and choose another option, whatever we had left earlier. So whatever option you have chosen, so prove it. Face the challenges of that options, because we will not get chance to go back and choose the another option. So choose wisely. So whatever the option you are choosing, choose wisely and prove it. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the differences. So here, poet want to say is that in the future, we will take a deep breath and say that once upon a time he had reached such a point in life that there were two options for him, and he travelled on that road which had been travelled by lesser number of people. Means he chose the road that many of people haven't choose that road, but the poet had chosen it, and that decision of his decided his future. That he want to say here, whatever the roads he had chosen, that road was grassy. That road, the road had not chosen by many of people. Many of traveler, they haven't choose. Very lesser number of people they have choose that road, and because of that, his decision make his future. Similarly, in future also, you will say when you were young, you had two options, and whatever the option you have choose, because of that you are here. In future, you will tell to someone. So, dear student, this is very strong message from the poet to all of us. Whenever you will choose the option, whenever you will choose choices, so choose properly, choose wisely, because your future depends on your choices, your options. Your future depend on your choices. The all choices, whatever you will choose it. So each and every students have to be careful while choosing the option. See dear students, now you are in ninth standard. After 10th, you will face the same problem. Which field we have to take? The choices makes our career. Whatever we will choose, we will become that only. So it is in our hand what to choose and how we have to be. So this message poet want to give here.